Yun. So, hello everyone, my name is CJ Nero and ngayon, we will talking about is autonomous stage, the automatic and effortless performance. So, first slide. Yan. The autonomous stage. The final stage of motor learning is autonomy, which is when people arrive at the place where their motor performance becomes automatic and little cognitive processing is required to get the job done. So, sa expert level naman, um, expert level, reaching autonomy often signifies expert level performance. This is because the individual has mastered the skill to the point na where it is almost effortless and highly refined. So, ito po yung expert ka na sa mga ginagawa mo. Like, example, dati 'di ba, yung iba sa atin is nag-aaral ng pagbabike and we are constantly thinking about balance, pagdadrive, at pagpepedal. But nung tumagal-tagal, through practice, mas nasasanay ka na and hindi ka na hirap magbike to the point na kaya mo na kahit no hands, ganun, tapos kaya mo nang may pag-usap habang nagdadrive ka. Minsan, nagtitricks-tricks ka na, ganun. And sa other example pa po, ko po dito is basketball. From liga to school, and yung mga commercial league, semi-pro league, hanggang sa mag-pro league ka na like Philippine Basketball Association, PBA, or di kaya National Basketball Association, ayun naman yung NBA. So, proceed tayo sa automatic performing. This stage is characterized by a nearly automatic kind of performance. So, example ko po dito is when walking occurs automatically without conscious thought. Yun. Kapag may pupuntahan ka tapos naglalakad ka ng hindi mo namamalayan. And another example pa dito is yung sa pag-breathe po natin. Hindi na natin iniisip. Yun, kusa na po nating nagagawa. Yan, ayun yung ibig sabihin ng automatic performing. So, sa effortless performance naman, ito naman yung needing little or no effort so that it seems easy. So, sa public speaking, for example, di ba, yung mga prof natin, after so many years sa careers nila, sa careers nila as a teacher, ang effortless na lang sa kanila para magsalita ng kalmado and confident in front of many people. Yon. And another example pa dito is pag nag-gitar ka, hindi mo na need gumawa pa ng mga movement sa katawan natin para magawa ito. Yon. So, next. Ay, wala na pala. So, ito na lang. Autonomous stage is a reminder that with enough dedication and practice, we can achieve remarkable things. It's a testament to the human potential for grow and transformation. It's also a reminder to stay curious, to keep learning, and to never take our abilities for granted. We should never stop seeking new knowledge and experiences even after mastering a skill. Kaya tayo, if may nasimulan na isang bagay, wag na natin ititigil dahil hindi natin namamalayan na alayo na pala natin sa dating tayo and hindi natin alam na patuloy na pala tayo nag-grow as a person. Yun lang naman po. Maraming salamat.